right, my good people, here's a quick update. Day 3, and we're getting it together. But again, don't have dash. Lights come on, but nothing's working. Not the gas, not the tach, not the speed, not nothing. So we got this tester, and we're gonna get the testing. I'll go ahead and put it all together so you don't have to see the process. If you guys like to see the whole process from checking fuses, popping trunks, and just every step of the way, let me know. I'll go ahead and start filming things a certain way, but right now, I just wanna update you guys as fast as I can so we can really start doing stuff out here, all right? So let's go ahead and check this out. All my interior fuses, oh, I should probably get some light down here. All my interior fuses are, you know, right here. Can I get the light on? All right. All my interior fuses. So if you don't know how to check, I like to have this thing. It's a great invention. It lights up. So I'm gonna check all my fuses, and whatever's bad, get it out. Whatever's good, let it be. Let's see. So we can get this cluster working tonight. Maybe go to Keynod. If you guys don't know what Keynod is one of the dopest Miata group of people. So let's see if we can get this ready for the night. All right, I checked all the fuses. Lights are still good. Hell, you know, HIDs come on, whatever. But anyway, turning the key, still no cluster. I don't know what to check next. Oh, sorry, steering wheel. But yeah, I don't know what to check next. Yep. All right, if y'all have any suggestions,